Meow. Pickle jars make me hyper. Meow. It's been a while, hasn't it? I bet the better part of you people thought I had died a harsh, painful, excruciating death. Well, think again. The truth about why I was gone so long might make you pee yourself. So go get your diapers. The sun was shining and the birds weren't pooping. I was walking down my driveway slowly, hoping to perhaps catch a glimpse of a rare bird recently seen in my area. Just then, I caught sight of a $5 bill. All of a sudden... Uh-oh! So as you can see, for the past 4 months, I've been in a coma. When I finally woke up 2 days ago, the doctor said I was very lucky. They said something like only 1% of the human population makes it out of an attack by a bird with a rake and lives to tell the tale. So that's all I have to say for today, and I just wanted to tell you that I wasn't dead. Bye.